Namaste, bread enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the delicious world of Indian naan bread. Soft, fluffy, and with just the right amount of chew, naan is the perfect companion to any curry or just as a snack on its own. If you've ever wondered how to make this tasty bread at home, you're in the right place. Let's get ready to perfect your homemade naan bread. Naan has a rich history that dates back centuries. Originating in India, naan was traditionally baked in tandoor ovens, which gave it that distinctive char and smoky flavor. Over time, it became a beloved staple across South Asia and even made its way to other parts of the world. Whether you're eating it in a bustling Indian market or at your favorite restaurant, naan is a bread that's all about bringing people together with its warm, comforting goodness. Making naan at home is easier than you might think, and you only need a few basic ingredients. The dough is typically made with flour, water, yeast, salt, and yogurt, which gives it that lovely softness. Some recipes also call for a little sugar to help the yeast along, and of course, butter or ghee for that rich, flavorful finish. The yogurt is what really sets naan apart, giving it a slight tang and a tender crumb that makes it so irresistible. One of the best things about naan is how versatile it is. The classic version is always a hit, but you can also find variations like garlic naan, which is brushed with melted butter and minced garlic for an extra kick. Cheese naan is another favorite, stuffed with gooey cheese for a decadent treat. And for those who like a little sweetness, Peshawari naan is filled with nuts and dried fruits, adding a delicious contrast to savory dishes. Whether you prefer plain or with a twist, there's a naan for everyone. If you're in India, some of the best naan can be found in Delhi's Kareem's, where they've been perfecting their naan for generations. In Mumbai, Khyber is known for its rich, buttery naan that pairs perfectly with their curries. And if you're in the US, Dishoom in London and Junoon in New York are famous for their authentic naan, baked fresh in a traditional tandoor. And there you have it, the secrets to perfecting your homemade naan bread. Whether you're whipping up a batch for a family dinner or just treating yourself, naan is a bread that never disappoints. So next time you're in the kitchen, give it a try and bring a little taste of India into your home. But before that, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Happy cooking!